with Iacopelli. Welcome back to my channel. Coca-Cola is the best drink in this world. Today we're gonna do something special. The pizza dough with Coca-Cola. Yes, Coca-Cola. Let's go make this pizza dough for the first ever time my pizza experiment. I'm gonna go try and see how the pizza will come out with the Coca-Cola. Let's go! 400 milligrams of Coca-Cola. Dump it. Five grams of dry yeast. 600 grams of flour 00. We dump F first. We cover. For about 30 minutes. Now we add the 20 grams of sea salt. And the rest of the flour. We put plastic and we let it rest for about 1 hour. This is after 1 hour. Now we cut the dough just this way and we can make the ball. So spread a little bit of flour. Now we get a box, a little bit of flour under, and we set up the balls just like this. 2 and 3. Now we let it rest for about 4 hours. 4 hours. La pizza alla Coca-Cola. Guys, the Coca-Cola pizza, it's almost ready to go in the oven and in my mouth. Very excited. The pizza is finally ready, amici, è pronta, la pizza alla Coca-Cola, and it looks a little bit more, much softer, no crunches at all, so very excited to taste. I'm gonna speak a little bit in Italian too. Amici, la pizza è un po' soffice confronto a quella normale, però la dobbiamo assaggiare lo stesso, con una bella Coca-Cola. Vai con la Coca-Cola. Che è successo? Sei pronta?
Sì.
Ci facciamo una bella Coca-Cola. We're gonna drink a little Coke. Cin cin. Salata alla salami, salata. Coca-Cola, the best drink in the world. Vai.
Lasciata.
I have to say, it's not bad. Com'è? We didn't put the tomatoes this pizza because I don't know, it seems weird, tomato and Coca-Cola. So we made a white pizza. Nothing, my friend. Enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching from my video Iacopelli. Desiree, non vuoi salutare? She's shy. Tag all
Ciao a
the
tutti.
Tag all the Coca-Cola friend. Cin cin.